A security grille doesn't have to be hard on the eyes. In fact, it can be a rolling piece of art. The beautiful SteelWeave Metal Mesh Grille from Cornell complements and enhances any building's design while also providing security for the people or objects behind it. The SteelWeave Grille offers excellent visibility in 2 standard curtain designs with plenty of options to customize. We can etch your logo or branding into the curtain, allowing you to transform your security grille into a design feature. The durable Type 316 stainless steel curtain, along with its unique end retention system, provides reliable security for the people or objects behind the grille while still allowing visibility. The SteelWeave Grille is offered in 3 convenient models that are customized to meet the needs of your specific application. Aesthetic Reveal for those areas that need the entire grille to be aesthetically pleasing. Aesthetic Conceal for those areas that bury the perimeter of the grille for a more hidden look. And the Service Model for those areas that require functionality with a tight weave to eliminate small trespassers. The grille is perfect for storefronts, malls, bars, restaurants, cafeterias, and any other application that requires an aesthetically pleasing security grille. For protection that is a feast for the eyes, choose the SteelWeave Grille.